Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to chapter number 5. Okay, now I shall start a new chapter, that is what, chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is what? Decimals. So what are decimal numbers? That means what? The numbers written in decimal form are called what? Simply decimals or decimal number. In other words, I can say the word what? It expresses a what? Fraction. Is okay. The measurement like 6.5, 2.33, 2.3, 5.92. So these all numbers are decimal numbers. Okay, this point what? Simply this point, if we see point in a number, then these numbers are what? Decimal numbers. Now what is a decimal fraction? A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominators are what? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. Okay, that means what? Multiples of 10. Okay, so this 6.5 I can express, this 6.5 what? I can express like this, 65 by what? 10. How? I said what? A decimal number is a number which what? Which indirectly expresses a what? Fraction. You see this 6.5 is nothing but a fraction. You see 65 by 100. And I said what? A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominators are what? 100, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and dot dot dot. Okay. So what you see 65 by 100. Now how it is 65 by 100? I shall tell you later on. Now a decimal number has two parts. Okay. One is fractional part. Suppose if I say 6.5, so this part is called integral part. Integral part, and this part is called fractional part or decimal. Fractional or decimal fraction. Fractional part or decimal part. Okay. Now let us start. Now let us start with the exercise, that is what? 6a, so that we shall understand everything. So with this discussion, let us start solving what? Exercise 6a. So in exercise 6a, what is there? You write the following decimals in what? Numerals. That means what? You have to write the decimals in what? In numerals. That means what? In numbers. So see what is there. First one is the 5.2. So it is very easy. 5.2. 5.2. So 5, you see, one I'm writing 5.2. That means what? 5 means what in numerals? 5. Point means this decimal point and 2. Okay. So like this you can write everything. So let me show question number 2. What? 17.185. So 17.185. So these are very easy. You can write all. Okay. Then you see 0.094. Number 3. 0.0. Okay. 0.094. And one thing you remember, that after, so what, an important thing you need to remember, that what, at the extreme of any number, at the extreme right of any number, you can what, you can add what, zeros. It doesn't change what, value. Suppose if I write 0.7, okay, 0.7, then this one if I write 0.70, then no problem. 0.700, 0.7000, it doesn't what, change the what, it doesn't change the what, value of the number. These all are what, same. Okay, that means what, at extreme right what, you can add zeros, no problem. Any number of zeros may be put to the extreme right of the decimal part of a decimal. The value of the decimal remains what, the value of the decimal remains what, unchanged. Okay, and before point you can add 10 also, to make clear that what, there is a point in between the numbers. Okay, there is a point in between the fractional part and the integral part. Okay, so 0.094, so you can write 0.094 means what, 0.094. okay. So what, now come to question number, so come to question number, so come to question number 5, Roman 5. Roman 5, what is there, you see, 1 and 98 hundredths, 1 and 98 what, hundredths. So what, 1 and 98 hundredths, that means what, 1.98. One thing I have to say before that, the place value chart of a decimal number, you can say like this, what is, suppose 123.625. so what, this ones we know as a what, ones place, so this is what, ones, this is what we know, tens, and this is what, 100, and then after 100, then what, 1000, then 10,000, like this we know. And on the right side we call these things like this one what, tenths, 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 tenths means 1 by 10. okay, here 6 means what, 6 by 10, so it is what, tenths we call, we say what, tenths. So you can say that what, 6 tenths. This one what, hundreds, HUNDREDTHS, this THS. If you say that what, with 100 THS is there, with 10 THS is there, then what, that this is the numbers which will be placed in the what, these are the numbers which will be placed after the decimal point, that is what, in the fractional part. Okay, now this one what, will be thousands, THOUSANDTH. so these things we have already learned in class 5, okay, in chapter number 9 or 10, like this. So these are the what, place value of the decimal numbers. Okay, so here you see 1 and 98 what, hundredths, that means what, 98 hundredths, that means what, after decimal 2 places, so 1.98 hundreds. So what we have written? Last what? 10 hundreds, tens and hundreds. So what? 98 hundreds. Now come 25 and 7 thousands. 25 sorry you see question number 6 remain 333 and 3 tenths. 333 and 3 tenths. So 333, this one we know, and 3 tenths, that means what? 3 is in the first, just after the decimal point, because just after the decimal points, what? There is no ones, one ONTHS, there is no ones in decimal point. It starts from what? Tenths, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like this. So question number 7 you solve, it is same. Okay, then question number 8 what? 602, 602, so 602 written. Then what? 52 10,000s, 52 10,000s. So what? 52 10,000, that means what? Point 10,000, that means what? 1 10 100,000. So what? I make it what? 52 in the 10,000 space. Okay. So now come to question number 2. Write decimal numbers for each of the following. Write what? Write decimal numbers for each of the following. That means what? You have to write the decimal numbers for each of the following. So see. So question number 1 is what? 7 by 10. 7 by 10. Then what? 9 by 100. 9 by 100. Then what? 61 by 61 by what? 100. So how to write with decimal point? That means what? These are the fractions. I need to what? Convert it into what? Into decimal number. So how you see? Whenever you see 7 by 10. That means what? 1 0. So whenever you see 1 0, that means what? The point will shift one place left. So the point is now the 7 means what? 7.0. Okay. Now the point is what? At right of 7. That means what? Here 7 means what? 7.0 I can write. Both are same. These are what? Same. So 7 means what? 7.0. That means what? You assume that the point is here. Now due to 1 0, it will what? Go what? What? Left of the what? 7. It will come here. So it will be what? 0.7. And 0.7 I can write what? I can write 1 0. No problem. So it will be what? 0.7. So 9 is there. So 2 zeros. So it will be what? 1 9. So for this 0 9, that is what? The decimal place will what? Shift 2 places. So here you see in the upper, that is what? In the numerator what? 1 digit, what? 1 digit is there. So and the point should move what? 2 places because of the what? 2 zeros in 100. So what? We shall what? We shall make what? We shall add one additional 0, and then we shall what? Shift the point here. Then we shall what? Shift the point here. Okay. See again. Here you see due to 100, the point should move what? 2 places left. But in the numerator 1 digit, what? 1 digit is there. So I need to make it what? 2 digit. So what? By adding zeros, I make it what? 2 digit. Now I have shifted what? 2 places. If you want to, 2 places left it came. So here it will be what? 61. So write 61 first. Okay. Then what? 2 zeros. Then you come to 2 places. 1 2. Okay. So in this way, what you can convert. Now what? Draw the place value chart and write this in numbers. Write these numbers. That means what? You have to draw the what? Place value chart, and you have to what? Write the what? Numbers. So here you see, let me draw the place value chart. See the place value chart, how to draw. You see it is there in page number 112 at the first question, example 2. Hundred, then tens, then ones, okay, then what? Tens, okay. 100 means what? 100, okay. 10, then what? Ones means 1, okay. 10 means 1 by 10, so 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Then what? Hundreds, hundreds, HUNDREDTH. Hundreds means what? 1 by 100, okay. Then what? Thousands, means what? Thousands, 1 by thousands, okay. 1 by thousands, 1 by thousands, okay. So these are the place value. Okay, so these are the what? Place value. Now what you put? How many questions are there? Okay. So the first question is what you see, number 1. Number 1 is what? 17.4. So 17, that means what? 7 is in ones and 1 is in tens. Then what? 4. 4 is in what? 4 is in what? Tenths. So like this. Okay. Now what? Question number 3 you see. So question number 3, what is there? 0.729. So 0 is at ones, 7 to 9. Okay. That means what? 9 is in what? 9 is in thousands place. Now come to question number 6. Okay. Question number 6, what is there? 25.178. So 5 is in ones place, okay, and 2 is in tens place, okay. 178. 1 is in tenths place, 7 is in 100 place, and 8 is in thousands place, okay. Now come to question number 8. Okay. So question number 8, what is there? 719. So 7 is there, 100, 1 is in tens place, 9 is in 1 place. Then what? 0 is in tens place, then 3 is in 100 place, 5 is in thousands place, and 6 is in 10,000s. So here one column you need to add. Okay. What? 10,000s. DTH. Okay. So what? This 6 will come here. Okay. So that is the answer. So that is the what? Answer. Now come to question number 5. Now come to question number what? 5. Write down the place value of the underlined digit in the following decimal point. Write down the what? Place value of the underlined digits in the following decimal point. That means what? You have to underline the what? Place value of the following digits in the decimal point. So how? You have to find the what? Place value. So see. So see question number 5. So 5 number 1. Number 1 what is there? 3592.7804. So what you have to write the what? Place value of what? 9. Place value of 9 you have to write. So place value of 9 will be what? So write place value of 9 in 3592.7804. 0.7804 will be what you see? Will be what? 9 is in what? Tens place. So 9 is in what? Tens place. So write what like this what? 9 tens. 9 tens means what? 9 into 10. It is what? 90. Is what? 90. So like this you need to write. Okay. So what? Now come to question number 3. So question number 3 what is there? 475.96. 475 point what? 96. We need to find the place value of what? 6. So what? Obviously what? 6 is after the decimal point, that is what is in tens, hundreds. So what? You write like this, place value of 6 in 475 equals to what? 6 by tens, hundreds. Okay? 6 by, so write write like this, 6 hundredths, HUNDREDTHS. That is what? 6 by 100. 6 by 100. Okay. Now come to question number 8. The rest all are same, like this you can do. So question number 4 you see. Question number 4 what? 2918.073. So what? We need to find the place value of what? 8. So what? Write this place value of 8 in what? 2918. Place value of 8 in 2918 will be what? 8 is in ones place. So write 8 ones. 8 ones, that means what? 8 ones means what? 8 into what? 1. That is what? 8. Okay? That is what? 8. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7, what is there? 4375.07. So we need to find the value of what? 4. Place value of 4. So write place value. You write this one, place value. Okay, I'm not writing. Okay, in that one. So write it will be 1, 10, 100,000. So 4,000. 4,000. That means what? 4 into 1,000. 4,000. Okay. Now come to question number 8. So what? Place value of which one? Question number 5, 8. Question number 5, 8. What is there? 12.089. So we need to find the value of what? 0. So 0, place value of 0 in 12.089 equals to what? It is in what? 0 tenths. 0 tenths. 0 tenths. 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 So it will be what? 0 by 10. Okay. So 0 by 10 means what? Again 0. So now come to question number 6. Write each of the following in expanded form. That means what? You have to write what? Each of the following in what? In expanded form. So how to write in expanded form, you see. So 1.7 is there. That means what? 1 is in integral part and 7 is in what? Decimal part. That is what? Fractional part. And in fractional part, what? We divide the numbers according to the place value. So 1.7. So 1 plus 0.7, that means what? It is in what? 10th place. So we shall divide what? 7 by 10. Okay. So see. We shall divide what? 7 by 10. So here you see how to divide. Number 6 you see. So what is there? Number 6, 1.7. So if I expand, then 1, then plus, after 0.7 is what? 7 is at what? 10th place. 10th, T and THS, 10th place. So I shall divide by what? 10. So it is in what? Expanded form. Okay. Now come to question number 2. What? 23.65. So it will be what? 20 plus 3. Okay. 20 plus 3 plus 6 is in 10th place. So 6 by 10. And 5 is in what? 100th place. So 5 by what? 100. Okay. So this is in what? Expanded form. So now write question number 4. What? 2308. 2308.009. 2308. What? 009. So write 2000 plus 300 plus, you can omit this 0, no problem, plus 8. Okay. Plus what? 0 by 10, then 0 by 100, then what? 9 by thousands. 9 by what? Thousands. Okay. So these are the answers. Now, so if I write question number 3, that is Praman 3. So what? 416.378. So it will be what? 400 plus 10 plus 6 plus 3 by 10, 7 by what? So write what? 416.378. 416.378. It will be 1 3. So it will be what? 400 plus 10 plus 6 plus 3 by what? 10 plus 7 by what? 100 plus 8 by thousands. Okay. So that is the what? Answer. Now come to question number 7. Write each of the following in standard form. That means what? Just we have what? Converted from decimal to what? Okay. In expanded. Now the question is in what? In expanded form. I need to write in what? Decimal. So see how to write. Okay. So see question number 7. 7, what is there? First one you see 2000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 3 plus 2 by 100, 2 by 10 plus 6 by 100. So it is very easy. So what it is? What? 2000 what? This 0. So we'll be writing 2000, then 0, 73. 2000 what? 73. Then what? These are the what? Fractional parts. So I shall start writing after point. So 2 by 100, that means it is in what? 10th place. Okay. And 6 is in what? 100 place. And 6 is in what? 100 place. Okay. And 6 is in what? 100 place. So that is the what? Answer. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2, what is there? 500 plus 80 plus 2 plus 1 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 7 by thousands. So it is very easy. 500 plus 80 plus 2 plus 10 by 1 by 10, 0 by 100, and 7 by what? Thousands. So here you see 500. So 582. 582. Okay. Point what? 2 is in tens place, 18 is in tens, 2 is in ones place, 80 is in tens place, and 5 in 500 place. So 500. Then these are the fractions, so I shall start after writing point. So 1 is in what? Tens place, 0 is in 100 place, and 7 is in thousands place. So that is the what? Answer. So these all are same, okay? So you can write these things. So now you write question number 4. Okay, question number 4 I am writing here. What is the question? 70 plus 5 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 6 by thousands. So it will be what? 70 point, then 5 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 6 is in what? Thousands place. Okay. Now come to question number 5. 5 what? 5 plus 0 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 0 by thousands plus what? 9 by thousands. 9 by what? Thousands. So 9 by thousands. So it will be, answer will be what? 5 by 5 plus, then after that what? Start what? Fractional part. So 5 plus 0 by 100 means what? 0 is in tens place. This 0 is in hundredth place. This 0 is in what? Thousands place. And this one is in what? 9 is in what? 10,000 place. So 5.0009. Okay. And one thing you remember, that whenever you read a decimal point, don't read like this. Suppose 56.26. Okay. So you read the decimal point like this. 56.26. Don't write 56. Don't read as 56.26. It is wrong. After the decimal point, whatever the numbers will be there, you say what? Separately. 56.26. If 267, then 267, 268, anything. Okay. But you don't say like this 56.26, 56.26. It is what? Wrong. You say like this 56.26. And if you say 56.26, it is wrong. Okay. Now come to question number 13. High order thinking skills. Okay. So question number 13, what is there? Match the contents of the column B with column A and C. With column what? A and C. Okay. So come to high order thinking, question number 13. So question number 13, what is there you see? So in question number 13, so in column A, what is given? You see 1 ones of 6 tenths. 1 ones of what? 6 tenths. It 1 ones of 1 ones 6 what? Tenths. So what? 1 ones of 6 tenths. It is what? Matching with what? It is matching with 1 ones. That means what? 1 ones. That means what? 1.1. So you see 1 ones means what? 1, and 6 tenths. That means what? 0.6. Okay. So you see this one matching with what? C. So what? It is matching with what? C. Okay. And in column B, it is matching with what? In column B, it is matching with what? 1.6. So 1.6, it is matching with what? B. It is matching with what? B. Okay. So question number 1, matching with what? B. So what? It is what? C and B. It is 1 is matching with what? C and B. Now number 2, you see 61 tenths. 61 tenths. 61 tenths. So 61 tenths means what? 61 tenths means what? So what? 61 tenths. That means what? This one is what? This one is what? Matching with what? D. Wait, 61 tenths or tenths it is. Yes, you see what? 61 tenths. 61 tenths means what? 61 by what? Tenths means what? 61 by 10. Okay. So 61 by 10 means what? 6 point what? 1. Okay. So 6.1 is there in what? In which? In D. It is there in what? In D. It is there in what? In D. So 6.1 is in column C. It is in what? 6.1 is in what? A. 6.1 is in what? A. Okay. Now come to question number 3. 6 tenths 1 hundredths. 6 tenths. 6 tenths 1 hundredths or what? 1 hundredths. Okay. 6 tenths 1 hundredths. 6 tenths and what? 1 hundredths. 6 tenths 1 hundredths. So 6 tenths, that means what? 6 is in what? 6 is in what? Tenths place. 6 is in what? Tenths place. And 100, that means what? Is in what? Ones place. So it is what? 0.61. So 0.61 is in B. Okay. It is coming what? 0.61. So 0.61 is in what? It is in what? B. In column numbers, in column number B, it is in what? Serial number B. And 0.61 is in what? A. Sorry, in D. 0.61 it is in what? In D. 0.61. You see, in column C it is in what? D. Okay. Now come to question number 4. 6 tenths 1 thousandths. 6 tenths 1000. 6 tenths 1000. 6 tenths and what? 1 thousandths. So what? 6 tenths and 1000. So 6 tenths, that means what? Just after decimal point. And what? 1 is in thousands place. So if I write 1 here, then if I write 1 here, then it will be in what? 100 place. But I need to write it in what? In thousands place. So I write in thousands place. So 1 place empty. So I shall put what? 0. So 0.601. 0.601. So 0.601 is in which column of B? 0.601 is in what? A. So it will be what? In column B it is in what? A. And in column C it is in what? C. 0.601. It is in what? C. Okay. So now next move to the next exercise. That is what? Exercise B. Okay. So what? The numbers starting write as what? Fraction. Now what? We need to what? Write as what? Fraction. Earlier I said in the first part of the class that if I write 6.5, then I can express is what? 65 by 10. So I said that what? I shall explain how. Now you see. Write as what? Fraction. Write as fraction. So come to exercise 6B. So come to exercise 6b. So 6b, what is there? 0.23. Question number 1, 0.23. So what? 0.23. So whenever you will be writing in fractions, then you write directly just by omitting point. If you omit point, then it will be what? 023. It will be what? 023. And 023 I can write what? Only 23, because this 0 is meaningless. Okay. So 023 I can write what? Only 23. So first you give, okay, like this, then you write the numerator what is there, just leaving what? 0. Okay, then it will be what? 23. Now for point you put what? 1. Okay, and after point how many digit? After point it is what? After point how many digit? 1, 2. So you give what? 2 places. Okay, like this. Now come to question number 2. So question number 2, what is there? You see, question number 2, 0.071. So if I convert, then if I remove this one, then it will be what? 71 and 1, 2, 3. After point how many? 3 places, so 30. Okay. Now come to question number what? 3. 309.309. Okay. So what? If you omit this 0 point, then it will be what? 309. Then what? For point I put what? 1, 1, 2, 3 digit. Okay. It is what? Thousands. Okay. Now come to question number 5. What is there? 0.00059. Okay. So what? Here what? If you omit this, then it will become what? 59. It will become what? 59 only, because if you omit this point, then 00059. The 00059 means what? Only 59, 59. Then for point you put what? 1. Then after point how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So rest you can practice. Okay. Now what? Now come to question number 2. Write as fraction in their lowest term. Now what? Now it is given in what? Point. What? Now what? And we need to what? Convert it to what? Fraction. Then what? We need to what? Keep this fraction in the what? In the lowest term. So see. So see question number 2. So question number 2, what is there? 0.2. Okay. So 0.2, that means what? Like earlier I can write what? 2 by 10, because of 0.1 and after 0.1 digit, so 10. Now you can cancel it. 2 1 jar 2, 2 5 jar 10. So it is what? Answer is what? 1 by 5. So answer is what? 1 by 5. Now it is in what? Lowest term. Number 2, you see what? 0.04. Okay. Then I can omit point, then it will be what? 4 by, then after point 2 digits, so it will be 100. Then 4 1 jar 4, 4 25 jar 100. So it is what? 1 by 25. So it is what? 1 by 25. Okay. So it is what? Question number 2, Roman 2. Okay. Now come to question number 3. That is what? Roman 3. What? It is what? 0.008. 0.008. So it is what? If I omit point, then it will be 8. Then after decimal 3 places, so 3 zeros. So 8 by 1000. So 8 1 jar 8, 8 20, 125 jar what? 1000. So it is what? 1 by 125. Okay. Or you can cancel with this one what? With 2 also. Okay. So do like this. So 8 by what? 1000. Okay. So 2 4 jar 8. and 5 2s are what? 10. Then what? 500. Okay. Then what? 2 2s are 4 and what? 25 2s are 50. Okay. Then this one I can write what? 2 1s are 2. Then you can write 2 1s are 2. Then 2 2s are what? 2 2s are 4. Remain what? 1. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So what? 1 by 1 2 5. 1 by what? 1 2 5. Okay. Now which question? Okay. Now come to question number 4. So these all are same, like this you write and solve. Okay. So you see what? 0 point, sorry, question number 4 3 4, these all are same. You can practice this one. Let me show another one. 24.075. okay, 24.075 or 13.125. So here you see what? 13 point what? 13.125. 125. So if I omit this one, then it become what? 13125 by what? Thousands. Okay, 13125 what? By what? Thousands. Okay. Now you can what? Cancel. So if you cancel with this one, then what? With 125. So you cancel with what? 5. Okay. So if you cancel with 5, then you see 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are what? 10. Okay. Then remain 3. Take this one here. 5 6s are 30. And again what? 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 13125. Okay, and this one if you cancel with that, then 5 2s are 10. 500. Okay. And again with what? 2. 5 5s are what? If you cancel with 5, then what? 5 5s are 25. Remain what? 1. 5 2s are 10. And then 5 3s are, okay, 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25, 12. Then 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 and what? 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now again this one what? With 5. So what? 5 10s are 10s are, okay. Then what? This one if I cancel, then what? 5 1s are 5, 105, and 5 5s are 25. Okay. So what? If you cancel this one, wait, what is there? 1 3 1 2 5 5 2 5. So if I do like this, so 5 5s are 25. Here remain what? 112. 5 2s are 10. Remain what? 5 5 5s are 25. So if you cancel this one, what? 105 into 5, how much come? 5 is 25 and 2. 5 0 is 0, 2, 5 is 5, 5 to 5. And this one if we cancel with 5, then what? 5. Earlier this one what? I have cancelled with this one what? With 5. So yes, this one what? Wait, let me do this one again. This one what? 5 1 3 1 2 5. 1 3 1 2 5. So 1 3 1 2 5 by what? Thousands. Okay. So what? Cancel with 5. Okay. We cancel with 5. Then this one 13. Then what? 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So remain what? 3. If I take this one here, then 30. 5 6s are 30. remain what? 1. So if I take here, it will be 12. And what? 5 2s are 10. And remain 2. 5 5 are 25. 2 6 2 5. And if I cancel this one with 5, then 5 2s are 10. 200. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 200. Okay. Now what? Now cancel this one again. It will be what? With 5. 5 5s are what? 25. Remain what? 12. 5 2s are 10. Remain what? 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 to 5. Okay. And if we cancel this one with what? With 5. Then 5 4s are what? 20. Okay. 5 4s are what? 20. Then 1 0. Now cancel this one. 5 1s are 5. 1 0 5. Okay. And this one you can cancel what? 5 8s are. So it will be what? 105 by what? 8. That is the what? Answer. So like this what? You can solve all. Now come to question number 3. What? Change to decimals by what? Divisions. Change it to decimal by what? Division. That means what? You have to change to decimal what? By division. By division what? You have to change to the what? Decimal. So come to question number 3. What is there? 1 by 5. So here you see what? 1 by 5. So divide with 5. By division it is said. So give 1. So 1 is not divisible. What? 1 is what? Not divisible. So what? You put what? 1 point. Then bring 1. Then 5 2s are what? 10. It is what? 0.2. That means what? 0.2. That is the what? Answer. So it is what? 3 to 1 1. 3 to 1 1. Now come to question number. Now come to question number 3. Okay. So question number 3. What is there? 3 by 5. 3 by what? 5. 3 by 5. So divide this one. 3 is not divisible. Put 1 point, bring 1 0. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 what? Okay, question number 4 you see here. Question number 4 what is there? There what? 3. So question number 4 what is there? 17 by what? 40. So what? 17 by 40 you divide it. 17 what? Not divisible. So what? You bring what? Point and put 1 0. Now what? You just go on multiplying 40. Okay. Then if I see with 44, 45 that will be what? 200. So 4 4 is 16, 160. What? 160. Okay. Now what? 0, 1, 10. So point is there. Point is there. So we can bring what? 1 0. Okay. So what? Now we can what? Now I can divide with what? 43s are how much? 43s are how much come? 120 equals 10. So 42s are it is what? 80. 42s are what? It is 80. So 100 minus 80 is what? 20. Point is there. Bring this one. So with 45s are 45s are how much come? 200. So with what? This one what we got? With 3. Sorry, not with 3, with 2. And now what? 5s are 4 to 5. What? 200. Now therefore the answer is what? 0.425. 0. What? 0.425. Okay. Now come to question number 8, last one. These all are same. So question number 8, what is there? 11 13 by 25. 11 13 by 25. 11 13 by what? 25. So divide with what? First you what? Cross multiply. Then what? It will be like this. 25 into what? 11. What? 25 into what? 25. 5, 7, 2. 275 plus 13. 275 plus what? 13. It will be what? 882. 288. Okay? It will be what? 288. So 288 by what? 288 by what? 25. So what? 288 by 25. Now you what? Divide. Two 288. So if I divide this 28, so I can divide what? I can divide with what? 1. How? 25 1 jar 25, 25 2 jar 50, 25. Okay. So 8 minus 5, it is 3. So 3 is not divisible, so I shall take what? 38. So again 25 1 jar what? 25. 8 minus 5, it is what? 30. Then 3 2, it is what? 1. So 13 not divisible. Now what? I need to bring what? Point. So I shall bring what? 130. Okay. Now what? 5 25 jar what? 125. Remain what here? 5. Point is there? 50. 5 2 jar what? 50. Okay. 5 2 jar what? 50. 25 2 jar what? 50. Therefore the answer will be what? 11.52. That is the answer. Answer will be what? This is the answer. Okay. 11.52. Now come to question number 4. So question number 4, what is there? Change the following fractions to decimals by changing the denominators to 100 or multiples of what? 100. 100 or multiples of what? 100. That means what? You have to what? Change the denominator into what? 100 or multiples of what? 10. Change the denominators to 10 or multiples of what? 10. That means what? You have to make, first you have to make the denominator what? Multiples of 10. Okay. That is what? 10, 100, thousands, anything. Multiples of 10 you have to make that what? Denominator. Then what? Then you what? Divide. Okay. So now come to question number. So come to question number 4 by 5. 4 1. It is what? 4 by 5. So 4 by 5, that means what? 5 is there. So if I have to make it multiple of 10, then it is what? 5 2 jar 10. So like this, first you what? Make it what? Multiple of what? 10. 5 2 jar 10. So if I multiply here 2, then here I need to multiply 2. So it will become what? 8 by what? 10. Now it what? Now it become what? 8 by 10. Now 8 by 10. Now you see the denominator is what? Multiple of what? 10. Okay. Now what? Now you divide. So if you divide, then it will become what? 0.8. Because the point will shift what? One place left, because 1 0 is there. Okay. Now come to question number 3. You see 11 by 4. So question number 3. 4 3. 11 by what? 4. So if I make it what? Multiple of what? 100, 25. If I multiply what? 25, it will become what? Then I can write what? 11. Here it is what? 100 and 25 into what? 25. So 5 7 2. 275. 275. So if I divide with 100 and 2 zeros, then the point will shift here. 2.75. That is the what? Answer. 2.75. Now come to question number 4, 1 by 8. Question number 4, what? 1 by 8. 4 4. 4 4. Question number 4. Roman 4. 1 by what? 8. So 1 by 8, if I multiply with 125, then it will come what? Thousands, which is multiple of what? 10. Okay, which is multiple of what? 10. So if I multiply here, then I need to multiply at what? The numerator also. So here 25 ones are 25, and here if I multiply, then it will become what? Thousands. Now what? 3 places, then the point will shift 3 places, 1 2 3. So it will come here 0.125. 0.125. Okay. Now come to question number 6. Okay, Roman 6 what? 11 by 20. 11 by what? 20. So I can make like this what? 11 by 20. Then if I make it what? 5. Then it will be what? 100. Then it will be here will be what? 55 by what? 100. So it will be what? 0.55. Why? Because 2 zeros, it will shift what? 2 places. Okay. Now come to last one. Question number what? 8. So question number 8, what is there? In question number 8, what is there? 131 by 250. 131 by 250. Okay. So I need to make it what? Multiple of what? Thousands. So if I multiply 25 with 4, then it will become what? Thousands. 1 0 is there, and 25 4s are what? 100. So it will be what? 1000. That means what? I multiply what? 250 with what? 4 to make it a multiple of what? 10. Now what? It will be what? 1000. Then if I multiply this one, 1314. So if I multiply 131 with what? 4, then what? 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 1 5, 4 to 4. So it will be what? 5 to 4. 5 to 4. So 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. The point will come here before 5. That is the what? Answer. Now come to question number 5. Compare the following decimal numbers. Use greater or equal symbol. Okay, use greater or equal symbol. So see the questions. So what? You see the question, what is there? You have to what? Use greater or smaller symbol. So question number 5, Roman 1, you see 5.91, 5.91 and what? 5.89, 5.89. So which one is greater? You see 5.91, 5.89. So you see the fractional part are same. So what? The fractional part are same. So now you have to check with the what? First you check with the what? Fractional part. First you check with the integral part. If the integral part are same, then you go for what? Fractional part. Okay. So you see here integral part are same, then go for fractional part. Which one is bigger, 91 or 89? Obviously what? 91. So what? It is greater. So in this case you see, let me show another one, that 5.94, 5.94. This is what? Both the fractional part are same. Now come to question number 3. I shall show the difference one. I shall not solve all. You see 5.94. Then what? 6.037. Now we need to first to check the what? Integral part. 5 and 6. Which one is bigger? Obviously 6. So no need of checking the what? Fractional part. Directly go for that one. Okay. Now what? Now come to 4. Here you see what 19.705 and what 19.75 what 0, 19 point what 750. So here you see what you see 19, the integral part are same, then go for checking what the fractional part 705 and 750. Obviously this one is less. Okay, now come to question number 6. What is there? 30.690 dash 30.69, 30 point what 30.69, 30 point what 69. So as I said earlier that on the fractional part on the extreme right you can what add zeros. So 30.69 you see here 30.690. So if I add one zero, then what it doesn't change the what value of the decimal number. So what actually both are what same. So I can write what they are equal. So you see 30 and 690 and 69 both are same. Okay, because what we can add 0 on the extreme right of the fractional part. So if I add 1 0, then it will become what 696 690 690. Okay, so rest you can do like this. So what first you check the what integral part. If the integral part are same, then go for the what, then go for the fractional part. Okay, now come to question number 6. Rearrange these decimal numbers in order of size starting with what largest. That means what you have to what rearrange what the numbers, that is what with the largest, that is what in descending order largest. Okay, so question number question number 6 you see one I am showing, these all are same. Okay, 5 point like this, like question number 5 you have to what compare 5.983 comma 5.893 comma 5.903 comma 5.938, 5 point what 938, 893 983 983 903 5.938, 5 point what 93 5.938. okay, 5.938. so what you check as like earlier you see all the fractional part are what same. So now you go for checking the what all the integral part are same. Now what you go for the fractional part. So what 893 983 903 938. So we need to write from what, from the largest one. So it will come first 5.938 comma then what 983 5.983 comma 5.938 comma 5.903 comma 5.893, 5.893. So last will come what 5.893. then what first is what 5.983 then what 5 point what 5.938, 5 point what 938. then number 3 will be what 5.903. okay, then what number 4 will be 5.893. understood? So these all have what points. Now let me show question number 3. okay, 0.1007 then 0.00071 0.0071 then 0.0107 then 0.0710, then 0.0171. So what? First, you see all the integral part are same, 0.0. So now you go for what? Fractional part. Here 1007, 0071, 0107, 0710, 10171. So which one is what? Bigger. So what? So this one is what? In descending order. That is what? Starting from what? Largest. So the number one will be what? 1007. That will be what? So first one will be what? 0.1007. Now what? Now the second will come what? Now the second will come what? Second, you see 107, 71, 171 and 700, 710. It will come 0.0710. Okay. Now what? Now after 7, it will come what? 0.0171, 0171. So this one 0.0171. Okay. Now what? After this one it will come what? 0.0107. Then the last one 0.0071. Last one 0.00 what? 71. 0.00 what? 71. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now come to question number 7. These are same. Rearrange these decimal numbers in order of size starting with smallest. So one I am showing, that is what? From biggest. So if you know the biggest, then you can do the smallest also. Okay. So just one I am showing. Okay. So question number 7, 1 you see. These all are same. You can do 3.93, 4.61, 3.93, then what? Comma 4.61, comma 3.07, comma 3.47, comma 4.16, comma 4. What? 4.16. So now you check which one is from smaller. So see, first you see the fractional, which first you see the what? First you see the integral part, 3433. So first what? 3 will come. So there are, this one is 3 point, this one is 3 point, this one is 3 point. So among these 3 point, now you check which one is what? Which one is what? Smallest. 930747. So obviously what? 9307. 3.07 will come first. Then what among these? Then 3.47. Then what? 3.93. Okay. Now go for 4. 4.61 and 4.16. So obviously what? 4.16 will come first because we are adding from smaller. Okay. Then 4.61. So these are the what? Answers. Here how many terms? One, two, three, four, 5. Okay. Now come to what? High order thinking. Question number 12. Okay. 8, 3 by 4, 8.73, 8 by 7, 8, 17 by 25, 8.69 in ascending order. That means what? You have to write all these things what? In ascending order. So how to write in ascending order, you see. Okay. So see the question. 8, 3 by 4. Question number 12. 8 given, right, given the numbers are, okay, 8, 3 by 4, okay. So first one, first you see the rest numbers are what? The rest numbers are in what? Decimal point. So I need to convert this one in what? In decimal point. So first I shall convert like this: 8, 3 by 4. So it will be what? 35 by, sorry, this one you do like this: 8 plus 3 by 4, okay. So you make this one 8 plus 3 by 4. So you write like this: 4. Then you multiply what? With this 4, you multiply what? 25. So then what? It will become 100. So here in upper portion it is 3. Then I need to multiply again at what? 25. So it will become what? 8 plus 25 by what? 100. So 8 plus 25 by 100 means what? 8 plus, that means what? I need to divide what? 25 with 100. So 2 zeros. So it will come what here? 2 point. So it will become like this: 2.5. 8 point what? 2.5. So like this I can convert. Okay. Now what? Now next is what? 8.73. So next is what? 8 point. So 8.73 is already there. So no need to do this one. So write 8.73. Next number. Okay. So next number. So first what? First we convert the what? Numbers. The fraction and the mix fractions. So write convert, here you write convert the mixed fraction into decimal number. Converting mixed fraction into decimal number. What? Converting what? Mixed fraction into what? Decimal number. Okay. Now what? Then next fraction, what? Mixed fraction is what? 8 by 7. 8 by 7. 8 7 by 8. 8 7 by 8. 8 7 by 8. So it is what? 8 plus, let me do this one like this: 8. Okay. Now make it what? Multiples of what? 100. Okay. What? Multiples of 10. So what? With 8, if I multiply what? 125, then it will become what? 1000. How you see? 125 into 8. 5 8s are 40. Hand remain what? Then 5 2s are what? 8 2s are 16. And 4 what? 20. Again 2. 8 2s are 8 1s are 8. Hand 2 10. 1000. So I have multiplied what? 125. So I need to multiply here what? 125. Now the fraction will become what? In the denominator it will become what? 1000. And 7 into 125, it is what? It is what? You see, 7 into 125. So 125 into what? 7. 875. So it is what? 875. So what? 875. Okay. Now what? Now I can write this one like this: 8 point. After this one, this is what? As like in the expanded form, how you did like this. So 875 by thousands. So 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. The point will what? Shift 3 places. So it is what? 8.875. 8 point what? 8.875. Okay. 8.875. Now what? Now what? 8 17 by 25. Okay. 8 17 by what? 25. 8 17 by what? 25. So do like this, 8 plus like this 25 you write. Okay, here at what? 17. So 25 how much are? 100. 4s are. So you multiply here 4. Now it become what? Now the denominator become what? Multiples of what? 10. So 8 plus 68, 17 4s are 68, and here what? 100. Here what? 100. Okay. So now what? I can write this one equals to 8 point how much? 1 2. So the point will what? Shift 2 places left. So what? 6 6 8. Okay, what? 6 8. Now what I have what? Now what I have found all the mixed fraction. That means what? Converting the mixed fraction into what? Decimal number. So I have what? Into decimal number I have what? Converted. Now write. Now the numbers are. Now the numbers are. Now the numbers are. Okay. So the numbers are what? First one is what? 8 3 by 4. So 8 3 by 4 I can write what? 8.25. Then what? Then number is what? 8.73. 8.73. Okay. 8.73. Okay. Now what? 8 7 by 8 it is what? 8 7 by 8 is what? 8.85. So 8.875. Okay. Next what? Next 8 17 by 25 means what? 8 17 by 25 means what? 8.86. 8 point what? 6 8.68. Then what? Last one is what? 8.69. 8.69. Now what? We shall arrange in what? In ascending order. Now right. Now the numbers. Now write in ascending order. Now write in ascending order. In ascending. In ascending order. What? In ascending order, what you can write? Yes, in ascending order, what? First one, you see 8 8 8 8 8. That is what? All are what? All the integrals part are what? Same. Now what? Let us go for the what? Fractional part. So 25 73 875 68 69. So first what? First, let us see what? So first will come what? First will come what? 8.25. 8.25. So what? 8.25. 8 point what? 8.25. That means what? 8.25. So 8.25 means what? This one 8.25. That means what? 8 3 by 4. So what? First will come what? Sorry, we need to what? Write from in what? In ascending order. That means what? First one is what? 8.68. Wait. Write in what? Write in ascending order. So what? 8 17 by 25. What is coming? 8 17 by 25. So 8.68. This one is what? 8.69. Yes. And another one is what? 8.73. And yes, one thing wrong here, you see. In that one thing wrong I made what? You see this one. You write again this one. What? You write this one again. What? 8 plus what? 3 by 4 into what? 8 plus 3 by 4 into what? You see, 8 plus 3 by 4, it will be what? 425 here. So if I write 25 here, then what? 25 3s are 75. That one I made wrong. So 8 plus what? 75 by what? 100. So it will be what? 8.75. How? there are two decimal, there are two digits, so the point will shift 2 places left, 1 2, so the point has came here. Okay, so 8.75. so earlier I wrote what directly what 25, so you make it correct, you write what 8.75, just to make it what 25 in place of what 25 you write what 75. Now you see, now what 8.75, so the numbers are what, this one 8.75, 8.75. okay, so which one is what here, which one is lowest? 8.68, 8.68. so first you write what 8.68 here, 8.68, then what 8.69, 8.69, 8.69, then what 8.69, then 69, then what 8.69, 68, 69, then 875, 7375. so it then it will come what 73, 8.73, then after 73 it is 75. okay, 75. okay, then after 75 8.875, 8.875. okay, so if I write what so what so what 8.68, so 8.68 is what 8.68 is what 817 by 25, that is what, that is 817 by 25. okay, now what 8.69, 8.69, that means what it is there in the book, so write what comma 8.69, it will come as usual. Then what, then 8.73, 8.73, so 8.73 is there in the book, so write 8.73. okay, 8.73. now what 8.75, so 8.75, that means what, just we have done what 8.75 means what 8 3 by 4, just here it was 8 3 by 4. okay, the first mixed fraction. okay, then after that which one, after that 8.875, so 8.875, this fraction which was 8 by what 8 by 7 earlier, this fraction. okay, so that means what this fraction, okay, 8 by 8 7, 8 by 8 8 7 by 8. okay, so that is the answer. so 8 17 by 25, 8.69, 8.73, 8 3 by 4, 8 7 by 8. so these what 8 7 by 8 is the last. so these are in what, in ascending order. And okay, and today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.